This has been a test of the emergency alert system on the talk of Pittsburgh 1320 WJAS. This was only a test. Want to get the latest information approaching its billion. Tone signals were a test of the alarm device at this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these storms to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, KIH 35, serves the following counties in western Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Fayette, Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland. And in northern West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. And finally, in east central Ohio, Columbiana County. The National Weather Service now returns to our regular broadcast. The forecast. Emergency alert system originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is not please assess.
And so as I try to research it, I kept looking into the red line and it wasn't finding it. What I didn't realize is that both brothers, William Clark, is related. William Clark is their uncle. So that takes care of their first cousin.
All right. As part of your research, you were scouring Pittsburgh newspapers about the Gary Frederick Company. You came across an article from the Pittsburgh Daily Post that mentioned Gary Clark's name. What was going through your head at that moment? You said, I got it.
So I was doing